Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now guess what? We've had another update on the NVIDIA Shield. Now this is going to be a no-frills video about the update to the NVIDIA Shield. Yes, you heard me right. We've got a new update on the NVIDIA Shield. Now I'm rocking the NVIDIA Shield Pro, but I'm guessing this is available on all versions. So let's quickly get into this. Let's go into settings, because normally you do get a notification, but I've obviously swiped that away. And if we go into settings, we can get to that update. If we go down to device preferences, about, system upgrade, and you can see check one upgrade. And there we go, we're going to check one upgrade. And you can see we've got 9.24 Shield Experience upgrade. So let's see what's new. So what's new? 9.24, we've got enhancements, we've got our security patches are updated to January 2026. We've also got some resolved bugs, resolved Disney Plus playback issue, resolved third-party remote connection issue with Xbox after sleep mode, resolved a crash issue which turns on Shield and CEC devices during sleep mode, and we've got a resolved third-party Bluetooth remote frequent disconnect issue. And lastly, we've got resolved settings page closes when triggering NVIDIA Shield Share on top of settings page. And that's your lot. So what I'm going to do now is just show you what version I'm running at the moment. If we go into settings, device preferences, about, scroll all the way down, and we can see I'm running 9.22 Shield Android TV software version and security patch September 2025 and version 11. Okay, let's quickly go into the install. So I'm going to install this on my NVIDIA Shield, so hopefully I won't come across any issues, but if I do, you're going to see them live here now, and you won't need to upgrade if you do see me having any problems. So download and install. So it's an 824 megabytes file, which is pretty big, so this may take a while depending on the speed of your internet. And looking at mine, it's going pretty slow so far, but it may speed up later on. So I'll bring you back or maybe speed this up. Okay, so it did speed up further down the line, and as you can see, we're nearly finished the download. So let's keep this running. Okay, it's downloaded and it's checking file integrity. Upgrading your Shield experience, preparing to install, Shield will restart shortly. One thing I really respect about NVIDIA Shield is that, they're really supporting this software, they're really supporting this hardware. You might not like what they're doing currently with AI, but end of the day, we're getting support for the latest upgrades. It's restarted NVIDIA Shield. Upgrading your NVIDIA Shield experience. So this is pretty quick actually for what it was. A large file, and let's hope we're going to get some new experiences, because sometimes they're known to sneak in some little software eggs. Wouldn't it be great if they put in some AI? Okay, so we're coming to the end of the upgrade, and no doubt it's rebooting now. There we go, we've got the NVIDIA Shield splash screen. No issues so far, so it's a pretty straightforward process. So far I would definitely recommend upgrading, but let's see what happens when we get to the home screen. I'm not expecting any big problems. Android, looks like we're going to go onto the home screen now. Okay, there's a quick recap of what we've got. Upgrade to NVIDIA Shield Experience 9.24. Okay, let's OK that. Click on the back button, finishing upgrade. By the way, if anyone's asking, this is a Samsung OLED TV. And that's it, we're on the home screen. So let's go into settings and see what version we're on now. Okay. Let's give it a bit of time to get itself together. Okay, click on settings, device preferences, about, and let's have a quick look. Okay, Shield Android TV software version 9.24, so we are updated to the latest version as of 5th of January 26. Okay, let's check system upgrade again just to make sure we're up to date to the latest version. Check for update. I always do this just in case. Yeah, we're up to date. Okay, so far it's looking great. No problems experienced. It's all looking good. And what I'm going to do is keep on testing, and I'm going to let you know if I come across any issues. So guys, I definitely recommend upgrading, because so far it's looking as though there isn't any issues and we're ready to go. And this was just a quick one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and please do click on the bell icon and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.